Now, among the voices calling out for justice for local football is that of newly appointed Veer United head coach Donovan Duke, back in the limelight after getting chopped as the head coach at Mount Pleasant Football Academy and the national under-23 team almost with the same sword. Yes. I want to personally welcome Duke back into football. Like him or hate him, Donovan Duke is a big personality in Jamaican football terms. Yes. He's like the Jamaican Jose Mourinho. Yes. And in a sport that is woefully lacking in player talent and player stars, I think we can say we have a star coach in Donovan Duke. Yes. What we must do now is try to get the league started so we can hear more from star coaches like Donovan Duke. Yes. Oh, my son. Yes. It's the Maverick, keeping it real and keeping it safe and still working from home.